Hello everybody, Photoman here, and for this video we are in a small community called Kirkpatrick, and we are looking at a 1924 Alberta Pacific Grain Company grain elevator. It is now privately owned by Andrew Farms, and it is in pretty decent shape. They've kept this in really good shape. The Canadian Pacific Langdon subdivision railway used to run by it and into the town of or city of Drumheller, but that was all these southern Alberta railways have been removed quite a few years ago now.
Take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me.